Here, in this pandemic COVID-19, everything is on digital platform, technology. So warmly welcome you a new phase of learning supply and its relationship with supply and technology. Two terms which collide, collaborate and assemble and results in production, increase or decrease. So let's check it out. Firstly on PowerPoint and then physical notebook.
Industry 4.0. We are living in the world of technology. We have invention and innovation which gives us upgradation in every hour. Our all surroundings are getting transformed on daily basis. Any new introduction came in. So everything is changing. Technology is affecting every field of working. So how does it can miss supply factor? It is a considering point while analyzing supply curve. So technology and supply curve is related to each other. The relation they have is the display of shifts in supply curve. आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी या तो आपके सप्लाई कर्व को फॉरवर्ड लेके जाएगी, अदरवाइज बैकवर्ड लेके जाएगी. सो इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स शिफ्ट इन सप्लाई कर्व. It will going to affect your cost and profit. Better or advanced technology reduces the input cost of production, which increases your production efficiency and causes a forward shift. Otherwise, it even reduces your labor cost, and errors are also reduced with upgradation of technology. So this is the curve picture which is in front of you, and you are understanding that if your better technology is there, so your cost of production reduces. This increases your profit margin. Ultimately, profit attracts the producer to supply them more units. So your supply curve gets shifted forward. Otherwise, it will going to have backward shift in the case of degradation of technology. That is our another aspect which we will going to discuss now. Whenever you will talk about technology, so it will always result in shifts. The key prominent player will be your cost of production and profit. Now degradation of technology. The technology degraded, became outdated. Now market is advanced and ahead of you. So जब मार्केट आपसे आगे निकल जाती है तो आप मार्केट में पीछे छूट जाओगे. So when you have outdated technology, degraded technology, you are lagging behind in technology, so your profit reduces due to rise in cost of production. आपका प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ राइज इन कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, एंड अल्टीमेटली दिस कंडीशन इज नॉट डिजायर्ड बाय एनी प्रोड्यूसर. सो ही विल गोइंग टू डिक्रीज द सप्लाई एंड गोइंग टू मूव बैकवर्ड. Scholars, today we will going to learn how technology, firstly how technology affects supply curve. Look, whenever we have supply, we have to make production. First of all, production include cost. Cost include of two things. First is inputs, which means your raw material, wages. Second, technology. So today we will discuss technology. Better means higher production, and low cost. Lesser means low production, high cost. Look, we will going to divide now. We will going to divide this page in two parts. First, advanced technology. Second, outdated technology. Schedule, curve, table and curve. So schedule and curve. First is your schedule. Construct, price, cost, profit, units. These will be four grounds where we will check our technology. And in the same way, you will draw only another side as well. Draw it together only. Look, you need 4 columns over here. First one, price, then cost, then profit, and then unit. Remember, I'm making it at once only for your betterment. Look, rupees. Cost will also be in rupees, profit will be in rupee, and this will be in quantity. Price rupees, cost rupees, profit rupees, but units will be in quantity. Check. Price is at 10 rupees. Cost of production, we have advanced technology, so we will take less cost. Then 7. Profit. Cost. Profit means your price minus cost. That will going to give you 3 rupees. And we will supply 400 units. If our technology is good or advanced. So we are moving as per market circumstances. Means our cost is low, our profit is high, and price is validated. Now next point. Here we will going to draft the same table. Check. Price is same. Cost of production, because technology is outdated, so that will increase our cost. So the cost of production is 9. So then your profit will be 10 minus 9. That will be 1. And here we are producing 400 unit because profit is 3 rupees. So per unit. Now the profit reduced to 1 rupees. So we will going to reduce our quantity. And we will start producing 200 unit. दिस इज बेसिक एजम्पशन कि अगर आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस है तो आप ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेंगे बिकॉज योर प्रॉफिट इज हाई. अगर आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी आउटडेटेड है, ऑब्सोल्यूट है, मार्केट में कॉस्ट उसकी ज्यादा है प्रोडक्शन की, तो आपका प्रॉफिट लेसर डाउन होगा, तो आप कम प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. चेक इट आउट. हियर नाउ वी विल मेक वन शेड्यूल with curve. So I am making graphical representation of it. Now draw one line of x-axis as well with y-axis. So I am drawing it on x-axis. Earlier I have drawn on y-axis. Now check your axis. This is x-axis. Then you have y-axis. So here we take price and we mark it with rupees. So the price is 10 rupees. I am taking it over here to give you better presentation. Quantity. This is 400 unit now. So we will going to mark 4 points here of 100 unit always. So x-axis we always take quantity. Now I am giving you one assumption. Assume. What we will assume that this is our old quantity and this is our new quantity. Earlier we were producing with old technology, so we are producing 200 units. 200 units old production है. तो हमारा जो ओल्ड प्रोडक्शन है अब हमने उसे रेज कर लिया 400 यूनिट्स, 200 यूनिट्स ऐड कर लिए ड्यू टू बेटर टेक्नोलॉजी। हमारे पास एक पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजी थी, हमने उसमें अपनी अपग्रेडेशन कर ली बिकॉज हम उससे एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी बना लिया है, अपग्रेड कर लिया है। तो आपकी जो 200 यूनिट पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजी से प्रोड्यूस होती थी वो अब 400 यूनिट्स हो गई हैं। सो आवर कर्व विल बी लाइक दिस। फर्स्ट वन यू विल मेक इट ऑन 200, so you are making it here, so the first is here line, then another line will be here. Check it out very carefully that price is not moving, only your quantity is changing, your price is same, your price is same. Check, price is same, you have 2 points, and here now you will make one line of supply curve. Always remember, this point marks you with new supply curve 1. This is your supply curve 0. Earlier you were producing A point, 200 unit is your point A, to 400 unit is your point B. So this is your point B. Due to rise in technology, you have shifted your supply curve in the terms of quantity. You will shift your quantity of production. Your price will remain constant and your quantity will change. Now check it out on the another side. It is also same. It will mark you just opposite arrow. Nothing else will change. Earlier our technology was as per the market circumstances. Your technology earlier was as per market circumstances, but now innovation introduced, so you have change in your market technology. Now we will going to take point A 400 units and point B 200 units. Earlier our technology was advanced, now our technology get deteriorated. So point A is your 400 unit and point B is your 200 units. So you have lesser down your production with 200 units due to old technology. Because of old technology your profit reduces to 1 rupee. Check. पहले हमारा प्रॉफिट 3 रुपीज होता था, अब हमारा प्रॉफिट कितना हो रहा है 1 रुपी। तो हम प्रोड्यूस कितना कर रहे हैं 200 यूनिट। सो आवर न्यू पॉइंट इज दिस एंड ओल्ड पॉइंट वाज 400. सो वी हैव कंस्ट्रक्टेड वन लाइन विथ कॉमन प्राइस बिकॉज प्राइस नेवर फ्लक्चुएट इन शिफ्ट्स. now we have to make 4 points over here with the help of a scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your 100, your 200, your 300, your 400. 100, 200, 300 and 400. Here we have marked quantity. Check. Earlier we were producing 400 units. So the supply curve will be at this point. So we have made one supply curve over here. This is your point A. Now our supply reduces to 200 units. Reduces to 200 unit. Now here we will mark it like this. So this is your point B. This is your original supply curve S0. This is your change supply curve. So we are coming back and Look, we are coming back. This shows you minus 200 units. Supply decreased with 200 unit. So supply decreased is equal to 200 unit because we are moving back from 400 to 200. 400 minus 200. Now check it out over here. We are moving 200 to 400 units. So this means addition of 200 units. So this reflect increase in supply. This will reflect decrease in supply. And the prominent factor is your cost. So always remember, scholars, that whenever your cost of production rises, with the fall in your technology or you are lagging behind in technology, then your profit decreases. और जब profit decrease हो जाएगा तो quantity supplied automatically decrease हो जाएगी because producer always willing to sell at profit. Thank you.
Scholars, today we have learned how does the supply get affected by technology. As today we are living in the industry 4.0 and technology marks its presence everywhere. So we have learned it in the aspect of supply with the help of construction of the supply curve shifts on the notebook. So thank you for visiting.